we are going to start a new chapter, nature and significance of management. So actually we need to know what is management. Management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goal effectively and efficiently. Effectively, what does it refer? Completing the work in a time it called effectively. Efficiently means reducing the cost of a product, which is, the wastage is less. If the wastage is less, the profit will generally be high. So these are the two words which are important in the particular diagram. Okay, moving ahead with the features. Okay, the first feature is goal oriented, second one is possessive, third one is multidimensional, fourth one is continuous, fifth one is group activity, sixth one is dynamic function, seventh one intangible. Okay, intangible it is. Okay, so moving ahead with the goal oriented. See, every management, everything has a certain goal. Every organization fix its goal. Okay, so it is goal oriented. A certain goal has to be given. Okay, to the employee to product. That product has to be submitted to them. This much products they have to mention that. Okay, possessive. Okay, it can be applied everywhere. Possessive. Okay, so possessive is a factor. Okay, that increase the productivity of a particular product. Next thing is multidimensional. Multidimensional is a word which can be used everywhere. This management, every field, whether it's work, division of uh, personality of a particular employee. Okay, according to the personality, he can be gone to marketing department because he has a good personality to attract the people. That's the important issue in multi-dimension. It is a continuous process because see, one thing is there. If you are applying this process, once applied and left, that will not give a good result. That in that case, the goal will not be achieved in this. So it is a continuous process. It has to be carried on from one interval to other interval. Going on. Process has to be converted. Okay. So next thing which comes is group activity. It's a group activity. Many people combine together to form a particular organization. There are different sort of units. When we move toward the levels of management, they will learn about who all are there in the top level, middle level and lower level. So group activity is performed here because many of the people engage to form a single unit in the organization. Okay, so their communication is an important factor. If communication is not there, then certainly the problem will arise in the function. Dynamic function. What does a dynamic function mean? Sudden change in the equipments. Okay, just imagining first we were using the labor intensive technique, but the nature has changed. The quality of product have certainly gone high, so we require more efficient product. Okay, more nice product. So machinery has came into existence, though they are operated by human being only, but dynamic environment has to be coming in according. We have to move according to the environment which the our competitor are performing. If the competitor is way ahead of us, then we surely will not exist in the market. Okay, the next thing is intangible. Management is intangible. It cannot be seen, but it can be felt. That management has taken a place. Okay, because everything is applicable. If the manager takes a decision, okay, so he has managed all the properties of it, and he has read all the things. Okay, pros and cons, what will be the advantage and what will be the disadvantage. So it's an intangible process. Moving ahead with the importance. Okay, importance is also called as significance, which means importance. Okay, so first one is achieving goal. Okay, achieving goal. What is the main objective of management? Is achieving goal. Every target has to be achieved. Achieving goal will result in excess amount of profit in which we can expand the business. If we are able to expand the business, the profit will generally be high. Next thing is increases efficiency. If the efficiency is good in the particular organization, the production will be also nice. If the production is nice, people will generally prefer your product. That's an important aspect in the growth of any organization. Efficiency what is an important factor. Dynamic as explained in this point. Dynamic function, you have to come up with a change, means you cannot use the old technique in thereafter. Just taking an example of Nokia first came to existence as a big unit of mobile companies, but now it is not having a name in the market. Okay, at present, at a time there was a Android which came into existence, the smartphone industries. Okay, so Samsung took the Android sponsorship and they made it. They went through a successful process, but Nokia choose Microsoft. So Microsoft does not result a good aspect. It does not perform a good activity for them. They vanished away from the market. Then now the Nokia is trying to enter the market through Android process only. So this is dynamic function. Okay, dynamic function has to be performed by individual, achieving personal objective. If an employee is achieving his personal objective, okay, so if he will do a lot of production, certainly the management's or the organization goal will also be achieved, and his goal will achieve. His goal will be also achieved. How much he produce, that much only money he will get. If he produce more, he will get a lot of money. That's a factor in achieving personal objective. Next thing is development of society. What does a development of society means? Salary, raising the salary, so he will contribute in the function of the government. Okay, of the GDP. The GDP of a particular country will increase. GDP means gross domestic product of a country. So that will be the development in the society. A good recognition will be there. That's all where the importance of the nature and significance of management. We have gone through the features and importance. In this case, about the definition, this is effectively and efficiently, two main words are there, okay, which plays a major role here. Effectively means reducing the time, okay, and efficiently means reducing the wastage. If wastage is decrease, so the production will be very high, and if we will have a great impact on the organization, and the profit will increase. If profit increase, will expand our market within the particular country or within the world also. Thank you. This was all about nature and significance of management.